Any tips for morning sickness?
My great tip, which I think, because I personally suffered from morning sickness and see a lot of patients with morning sickness, is to grate some ginger, okay, into lemon juice and actually put it on your tongue and suck on it pretty much all day long. Because morning sickness is not always in the morning. Most career women tend to have morning sickness in the evening when they have some time to just sit down.
Yeah.
So ginger is known medically. There have been trials as well, but people often recommend having ginger biscuits. Well, that's not a health food. So I would say ginger tea. So grating fresh ginger and pouring hot water and then sipping it is often helpful. Ginger.
And so much better than ginger tea bags as well.
Yes,
It's so much
tea
stronger
bags tend to have a lot of plastic as well inside them. So tea bags, so wherever possible, if you can go back to the good old-fashioned way of making tea, so having one of those tea strainers, which I tend to use, and I just put a teaspoon of my thing, pour hot water, go and do something for a couple of minutes, come back, and you get the most perfect tea.
Well, we use a cafetiere, so you stick it in a cafetiere and fill it with water, and you've got tea all day.
Yeah, you can do that.
Get stronger by the hour.
I'm a lazy cook, and I cook a lot, but I'm a lazy cook. Similarly, whether it's with tea or tea bags, I can't be bothered to do a lot of things, but I will not use plastic bags, tea bags. But yes, ginger tea bags, if you're traveling, yes, herbal teas can help. But ginger generally tends to be something that I think can be a very natural way of. The other little trick I tell women is that you don't mix your liquid with your solid. So when you wake up, the first thing you do, instead of having a cup of tea, which can be quite acidic, you tend to have something like a dry rusk. So something dry first, and then don't mix your liquids with your solids. And often women find that helps.
When you say don't mix, I mean, what sort of separation are you allowing between the two?
So, give it about half an hour so that, you keep something down, then you have, because often people will find that when they drink things like tea and coffee, because they're so used to drinking it, they don't realize, and then they feel sick, and they feel sicker all day. So then trying something like ginger tea might be actually quite helpful. Those would be my tips.